Outerwear includes jacket, coat, sweater, and hoodie. These are essential clothing items worn outdoors over other garments. They protect from cold, rain, wind, and sun while serving different style purposes. Outerwear means clothing worn outside over shirts or other garments. It provides warmth by trapping body heat. It blocks rain and wind while insulating against cold temperatures. It also shields skin from direct sunlight exposure. A jacket is lightweight outerwear reaching hip length. It gets worn over shirts for protection from weather elements. Jackets work for casual and semi-formal occasions. Different styles exist for various weather conditions and activities. A coat extends below the hips, reaching knee length or longer, made from heavy materials like wool, cashmere, or leather. Coats provide maximum weather protection with formal appearance, perfect for extreme cold conditions. A sweater is knitted from wool or cotton yarns, worn as middle layer or alone during mild cold weather, available as pullover style or open cardigan style. Knit structure traps air, providing insulation and comfort. A hoodie features attached hood covering head and neck. Made from fleece or cotton, blend fabrics for warmth. Comes as pullover or zip-up front design. Perfect for casual wear and outdoor activities, providing sporty style. Jacket stays light and hip length for versatile use. Coat reaches knee, becoming heavy for formal maximum protection. Sweater offers medium weight waist coverage for casual comfort. Each type serves specific weather and style needs. Jacket provides light, versatile protection. Coat delivers heavy, formal coverage. Sweater gives knitted, comfortable warmth. Hoodie offers casual hooded style. Always match outerwear choice to weather conditions and occasion requirements.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.